Huzur, there is a sort of fever in our country nowadays people are suffering from. It's called dengue. Dengue. I think it's related to mosquito or malarial fever.
Dengue in fact is a fever of dry lands, dry rocky lands. But it has even spread in Bangladesh. I have no idea. Dengue is caused by the biting a very small insect which is not malarial in character. You see, malaria and dengue are totally different from each other. That small insect which bites causes a back-breaking fever. That's called dengue. In Urdu we call it kamar tod bukhar. And I myself suffer from it, so I can explain it. That one feels that the backbone is really being broken. And intense pain, concentration in the backbone. No medicine like quinine, etc. can work, and we have to wait till 7 days. It will take its time. So all I can say to the Bangladeshis is to show patience and forget about treatment and lie in bed praying to God that He should grant them patience. That's all we can do. But how could it spread in Bangladesh? It's a dry, rocky thing. No, it's not mosquito. It's a small mosquito-like thing. Just an insect.
You are right.